Yeah, so hi everybody, namaste. I hope you all doing good, and I am very tired. First of all, wish you a very happy yoga day. Today is 21st of June 2026, and this is the yoga day. And I thought that it is the most suitable day occasion to start your running, and I decided that let us join the GRC, which is Gen Run Club. It is open for the people from all the generations. As the name says, Gen Run Club. It is based in Bhopal. It was started by some really young and passionate individuals named Manan Arya, and there's one more girl. I don't remember the name of their. They are very young, and they started this wonderful uh, initiative, and I just cannot I just cannot move the camera. I change the camera, thus I'll be just rotating the phone in order to give you a quick look of how it looks like. Today we are in Bhojpur Club, and it is going so well. Over here we started with the stretching. We came here at 6. I saw the uh, information on the Instagram page of GRC. They are quite active there, and this is how you get the information from about the weekly run and rave that they organize. And this is so interesting because I'm not much into the running, and this was the first time I broke my inertia after a very long time, and I finally gathered the courage to come here. And on the back side of me you can see a small park or a small ground, where they had the stretching, where we did the stretching, and then we had a run of 5 kilometers from here to where, to the new market, and back from there. And it was fun. It was not fun because there was no DJ. Usually quite often they hold the run on the DJ, but not today. And since it is the yoga day, so they will not have the rave after the run. They'll have the yoga session going on. And mistakenly I opened my front camera. Usually I do not, so I'll be sitting here and recording the things so that you can have a view of how does it look like. And people are walking at their own speeds. Some are slow, some are fast, but you have to keep running. If you cannot run faster, run slower. If you cannot run slower, run more slowly. And if you just cannot run, then just walk faster. If you cannot walk faster, walk slower. If you cannot even walk slower, then just drag yourself somehow at a turtle's speed, but do not stop. And if you are stopping, stop for a couple of minutes at the max, and then gather the courage again to start again. This is the look of the Gen Run Club from the front. And on the back side of me you can see the people standing there, and there are foreigners even. They haven't come from Melbourne or somewhere where like GRC has a presence on, even in the abroad, apart from Bhopal, Indore, and one more place I don't remember the name. So yeah, they are doing pretty good, and they are wonderful in this thing, and creating the awareness. They have massive reach on the Instagram, which is like around 20,000 followers. And out of that, even if 200 people are coming up, then it is good. At least it is bringing a change in the lives of at least some people. And I felt good after running, and I also felt very grateful, remorseful. I felt sad. I felt sort of ashamed of myself that what I was doing. I wasn't running for a very long time, and this is not something good, and this is not the justice that I am doing to this body of mine, which is like a good looking body. I'm 6 feet, and that doesn't matter, like whatever you are. And but what matters is that if you are blessed with a human body, then you should keep it to work. You should keep it to work. You should not be like a pig. You should be like a horse. You should be like a lion, like a tiger. And I introspect, I observe this thing, and on this very day of 21st June, I take a solemn vow that I'll bring, or at least try to bring, the change in my life. And I had my friend saying to me once, looking at others when I was fit 2 years back, that having a belly, you know, having a belly is a bane, is an injustice that you do. It's not something somebody is doing to you, until unless you are born with a severe disease like diabetes or something. It's genetic, like the fat or obesity you are carrying is genetic. Until unless it is that, it is a serious injustice that you do to your body if you are like obese, if you are suffering from obesity. And that is true. So with that notion, I also bring a sort of pledge to bring some reformative, some transformative changes in my lifestyle, and start doing something physical, something refreshing. Here we have Ankit with us, and he would be telling us about his experience. Brother, how was the experience
That was
like?
crazy, man.
It was crazy indeed, yeah. Going for 5 kilometers from here, then coming back 5 kilometers, it is indeed crazy.
The total is 5.5.
Okay, so you came back from midway.
Yeah.
At-
Everyone is
yeah,
That's fine.
nearly everyone. But not everybody takes the lift just like I did. Yeah, no, it is something pathetic, and more pathetic is the fact that I didn't take the lift while coming back.
Yeah.
I
You-
took it, yeah, at the very starting. So anyways, like, I would still pat on my back that at least I came here.
Yeah.
That is a big thing.
That's
At least I broke the inertia.
Good thing for
Yeah. So what message do you have to give to the many youngsters who are still laying on their bed, being couch potato all day, not into the running and any physical activity? What is your message to them?
I can say to the people who's not doing physical activities,
Hmm.
it's important to our health, our mind. So we have to work. If
Hmm.
nowadays we
Hmm.
didn't do anything in our
Yeah.
peak time of
Yeah,
our
when we are
life,
so young,
So,
full of energy.
we didn't gain that confidence to do anything when
In the
our
future.
life will be.
Exactly. So if you work hard in your young days, in your
You will
adulthood,
gain confidence
you
that
gain the
you
confi-
have done before the things.
exactly, and you have the strength in the old age. You won't have to depend on nobody. You can do the things on your own. That's an important thing. So with this message, I think we will be sitting for the yoga session that is going on, and I don't think that I have the strength. So better, buddy. You take the lead, and we'll see it
We are
again.
taking the
We'll
lead.
meet again.
We
Yeah,
have
yeah.
to do cool down.
No.
Body.
Yes.
You are not doing?
No. You participate. I mean, you join them. I'm going. So I don't think that I would be staying here for any longer, and I'll have to go. I mean, I came here for an experience. I had that, and it was so good. And now I think that I'll have to go. They do not have the rave today. Otherwise, they have the rave as well after the run. And today it is only running and running. People are standing there, as you can see, and it's getting capitalized, corporatized as well. Not corporatized, but yeah, capitalized, because brands come here to promote themselves, often, like Decathlon or some other brands. They come here, and this is something like really great, and they can generate the profit. It's good for them. They can generate the profit, promoting themselves. Apart from that, I think they have the fees, they have the charges as well. For example, you'll have to pay 250 rupees or 300 rupees um, on Sundays on the weekly basis. So that is another thing. Today it was all free. It is paid because they provide you the coffee and some other experience like pool and all, apart from the raving that you have on DJ. So you don't have to necessarily be the part of general clubs or any other clubs, these run clubs. What is important is that you get to work, the physical activity, be it stretching and running or gym. I think running is non-negotiable. Even if you go for the gym, going for the gym, I feel like running is non-negotiable. Running is like which provides you the stamina, and no other activity I think will give you the stamina. Doesn't matter like how big the muscles do you grow. Stamina is very important, that you get only by the running. So yeah, with this, Garvit Chen signing off.